Hello and welcome to Venture Invest. So this is our Excel tips and tricks. In this video we'll be looking at goal seeking, a powerful function within Excel that you can use to get a prediction or seek out a goal based on some of the data that you have in a given table. So for example, we have here a little table that contains some items. We have 3 items here. We have the amount for the 2 first of them. The second one is the one that we are going to use this goal function on. Then we have the price for each of the items, meaning that what would it cost to buy one entity of each of these 3 items. And lastly, we have the total amount, meaning that what is the total revenue that we have made based on the amount that we have sold and the price for each entity. And then we have here the sum of all 3 items in total. So we would like to estimate or find the value that we need to sell of item 3 in order for us to make a total revenue of 20,000. So in order to do so, we basically click this, which is a sum function. Then we go into data. Then we click under what if analysis, and then we will say goal seeking. Here it automatically defines the value, the cell E6, which is the value that we want to calculate. So we want this value in this cell to be 20,000, and we then define what cells should be changed in order for this value to reach this. So here we want the amount of item 3 sold to be changed in order for us to reach 20,000. So how many of these should we sell in order to reach that goal? And then we click OK. And then Excel automatically calculate that in order for us to get to 20,000 in total revenue, we need to sell at least 216, because you can only sell this item cannot be break down, but you get the idea. So Excel automatically find the goal for us that we need to sell 216 to get a revenue of 20,000. So this is how you can use Excel what if analysis. See you next time and Venture Invest.